God, I can barely walk up this thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to Endless Road Adventures. Stoked to have you here. I haven't been up to too much since the last series, which I'm sure a lot of you guys found this channel through. But a couple weeks ago I did go on an overnighter with my girlfriend Rachel, who, if you're a long time subscriber, you would remember from the PEI trip video. If you haven't seen that, I suggest heading back and seeing that. I'll add a link right here. Rachel and I went about an hour outside of Halifax, just a quick trip, just to camp in the woods overnight, and it was a great trip. We had a lot of fun. It was kind of cold at night, but not too bad. I filmed the whole thing. I did bring a couple of new pieces of gear with me, namely this microphone and a drone as well. I was going to make an edit out of it, and to be honest, I kind of botched it. I forgot to take the ND filters off the cameras when we were in some darker environments, and that footage is kind of unusable. I wasn't going to make an edit at all, but I decided that what the hell. So that's what this is. So I'll show you guys the trip right now. I'll kind of walk you through it, and where the footage isn't usable, I'll kind of just come on and talk about it instead. So hope you enjoy it. So, we've landed at the parking spot. Rachel's bike is now parked. We've put her gear on my bike, and we've deliberated a little bit about whether we double her up with all the gear and try and ride in all together to save time, because it is getting dark. And after a bit of deliberation, that's what we decided to do. So that's where we are. Unless you don't want to try it.
No, I'm good for trying it.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't bruise that easily. Ready?
Yep. Suck in. Perfect.
Oh, that's cozy.
Like a glove. So this is on our ride in, and this is where I left the ND filter on the lens. So it was super underexposed. This is the best I could do to recover the footage. It's definitely subpar, but at least you get a sense of the terrain that we were going through. I get it to get off here. That's just a little sketchy down there. So.
I was wicked. I got whipped in the eye.
No,
I was fighting
okay?
for my life that whole time.
No.
It was like the very beginning.
Why did you say something?
Because I wanted to get down here.
So we're gonna go down here, and then you go to the right, and there should be a little trail that goes up.
Do you want to keep everything on? You're going down there?
Yeah, I'm breaking everything.
I'll follow you. If you want to go.
But
So the site's down here?
it's over there, and then there's a beach right there.
Oh, wow.
Wait, can I get you to record me with the... I'll give you a camera?
Oh, yeah, give me a camera.
Just in case I do something stupid, like fall. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on record so you can just...
Well, this will be interesting. Got it! Now where the hell did he go? Beautiful. Ah! So nice. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is wicked.
Fragile space in a single sail, white rocky island, you and I on the trail, just us and the waves, no need to behave in the harbor.
So everything was working out really great. We got the tent pitched, everything was set up and looking proper, but the one problem was that I had forgotten my hatchet as well as my good knife. So I couldn't really get any dry wood, and although I got a fire lit, it wouldn't stay lit, even with a little bit of gas from the bike. So in the pitch black at 7:30, we decided to head back to town and cheat a little bit and buy some cheap firewood. It was pretty cold and it was only 7:30, so we decided why not. So we rode back about 20 minutes to town and grabbed a bundle of firewood there. Yeah, so my headlight is lacking severely, definitely needs an upgrade, but we made it into town safely. We got our wood, we came back, we had a great fire and turned in for the night. The next morning we packed up camp and headed out, not before I tried this little hill climb that I knew about. So I gave Rachel the camera again for her to document. So here's that. That way I did last night when I went to get firewood. This way is a lot steeper and a little bit more hairy, so I figure why not take the Black Diamond route. I am still fully loaded up though, so we'll see how this goes.
God, I can barely walk up this thing. Adam Fraser, they're crazy.